Hello, everyone. Okay, start over because of you. Okay, you see, we have a lot of fun here. Okay, today we want to have a quick recap of what we did in the last video and add some additional comments to it.
Yeah. Last time we did Swift-line command tools or command line tools in Swift. And yeah, we had some open question last time and we had way too much fun. So it took a lot longer than I expected, but no problem. We will try to do it all compact today.
Yes, let's dive into it.
All right. Looks like... Why is it so much bigger on my screen than on your screen? Okay, never mind. So, we had the version issue last time. And of course, there's something you can do. So you can say version in here. And then you don't have to do any special things. And now if you want to call this with an argument, let's say version,
Super
no
small.
foo, no, yeah. So only as an argument minus version. That's all I'm going to run. So if I run this now, it should tell me, ooh, nice. Down here, oh yeah. Yeah, I don't have to move. 001, and that's exactly the version I have in here.
So maybe can you type in the editor so what the command was that you, because it was too small, I think, to
yes. So
fake it and type
I'm running it right now with app name. Not sure what this is, but the one would be just like this. And as far as I can tell, there's no version of this. So it's this one. That's the only one. Which is fine.
Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah. And I also found out something we had some issues with. So the name up here, the command line tool, is actually the name of the program. So we had something in here, I think it was called command name. And this will not work for the base or the root configuration. So you have to name your program as you want to call it, and then subcommands are the ones you can change via the command configuration.
Okay.
Okay. We already had... So basically, here you can start your magic. So what we did last time, the parsable command is something from the argument parser, and the argument parser is a Swift package from Apple directly.
Can you quickly recap in the package, Jason?
Yes.
How we set this up?
Pretty simple. Command line tool. I added the macOS 12 because then I don't have warnings or anything for now.
Yeah.
I added the Swift argument parser with version 1.2.2, and it's actually at 1.2.2 and not 1.0.0.
Yeah, because
that's all right.
From there.
Yeah. And I have to add it as a dependency into my command line tool. And this one is in the sources folder. So now I can use it here, can use the parsable command, and the one thing I do need here is the run function, which will then run. And yeah, we also added some subcommands. Those are these babies. And for this one, we had an argument, or we actually had two arguments. Those are mandatory.
Yeah.
So the first name and the last name. Last name actually isn't, but first name is. It's mandatory if you don't provide it. So everything in here, let's just put this down here. You have to run your app and start with foobar. And then everything after here is whatever you pass in here.
Yeah.
So now, as an argument, provide a name for your program to run. First name, it's not optional, that's why you need it. If you don't provide at least one, argument here afterwards, then it will print out the help. If you do, then you can do whatever you want down here. Is a flag, profession, yeah.
Yeah.
So-
We had to try different things last time.
We tried different
Did
things.
you look why the flag needs to be an int? We tried bool and it didn't work.
True, no, I haven't
no.
looked into it.
All good.
No, yeah.
Because also our helpers provide a boolean value, but you need to provide like 1 or 2. Maybe
Right,
have you tried if you can put true there? And I think we did that, right? You could pass in true or false, and it maps it. Doesn't matter. It's fine.
We can quickly check. So I want to do foobar, I want to do the Jonas, and let's see,
Is flag active?
short and long. So it's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be this one. Can remove it. -I. And now if I run it, tells me foobar. Yeah. So let's
Yeah,
run it again.
nothing there yet, right?
And now, yeah, so it's a flag. You only need to write it in, but for some reason,
True. Yeah, we don't provide the value, but it's still int. If you change it to bool, it didn't work, right?
right? Yeah, that was a problem.
It is what it is.
Yeah, doesn't matter. We'll just leave it at that. I think it's fine for now.
Yeah.
Okay, so this would be it
Yeah.
for this part.
That was a quick one.
That was a quick one, yeah.
Quick